Maybe you're one of 40 million Americans out of work, or one of 100,000 small business owners forced to close. Maybe while you were away from your job, you realized the typical 9-to-5 just isn't for you anymore. Whatever the case, we've got the perfect opportunity to get you back to work stronger than ever. With a mobile dustless blasting business, you'll be cleaning up the community, helping maintain infrastructure, keeping businesses productive, thrilling hobbyists, but best of all, you'll make good money with a specialized service that's always in demand. With the amazing versatility of our mobile trailers, you can profit with multiple services other than blasting, like priming and coating, large area disinfection, and more. So, what are you waiting for? Get back to work on your own terms with your own business with Dustless Blasting.